Welcome to Questions and Answers series. Today it's a little bit chilly but beautiful day in Warsaw, and I have a topic to talk about which actually can apply to every type of business, not only trading. I was asked by a trader for a general advice on how to handle if you come from no like-minded environment, and this environment tries to tell you what you do, it doesn't support you, and I'll try to do my best answering this question. I also come from the not so wealthy family. Lovely, I love my parents and my sisters to death. But I didn't have an example, and I didn't have people around me who did tell me what to do when I started my business career. And also, they didn't know what is it to be trading the markets, the financial markets. And I know that everything what comes from my closest environment, from my family, friends, is only dictated by them caring about me and trying to make my life better for myself. The problem is that we are not on the same page and knowledge about what I am doing. My father is a graphic designer, and when it comes to designing graphics, when it comes to this topic, I will always come to him and listen what he has to say about it. But many times, especially when I was starting my business career, mm, I had from them. It's not like lack of support, rather than they were caring about me a lot, and because they didn't know what is it to run your own business on a scale I wanted to run, they tried to talk me out of it. They tried to do everything to protect me, because the world my closest closest people around me know it's not the world I do exist in. They don't know how is it to handle big money. They don't know how is it to risk, to base your career on an unknown result, on the risk. They don't know anything about the trading at all, and because they don't know, they fear that I will fail, and I will have and I will be not happy. And because they feel good about me and they want to protect me from being unhappy in my life, unsuccessful, they do something which is opposite what we need to, and they try to talk me out of it. So how to handle it? I was taught by one person in my life that whenever it comes to your family, your closest people, you have always listen what they have to say, but not directly listen to them and do what you really want to do in your life. And it's not like a simple coach talk right now, or you can have everything you want from your life, uh, what you will wish. It's only about that I know that I am the master of my own uh, future. I'm shaping it however I want. I'm also suffering from failures, disappointments, and everything what comes with it. And many times in my life I have failed in certain things. Did it stop me from doing what I'm doing right now? No, it only made me a better person, and I learned from those mistakes a lot. And although, as I said, I love my family and my friends, I'm listening what they have to say, because it's always good to, but not always I am applying it to my life. And if you seek for a general advice how to handle it, this is the way I do handle such things. I try to listen, because I know they care, and I know that they want what's the best in life for me. But I have my own brain, and as many of you already know, I'm stubborn. Some of them call me grumpy. I don't have anything against it. I find it funny. But yeah, I'm stubborn in my life, and whenever I want to achieve something, I just do it, and I'm not asking anybody for an advice for how I should do it. I'm learning from people, but I'm not asking how I am to shape my life. And it comes to trading, especially when you are trading financial markets, the last thing you want to do is listen to other people about what you should do in the financial markets, because you are, I'm assuming, risking your own money, and you have your own brain, your own perception of the market, and you are responsible for your money. So when you start listening to other people, you would move the responsibility in your brain to them. And this is the worst thing you can do, because removing the responsibility and putting it on others will stop your learning curve. You will not learn from mistakes if you don't accept them as your mistakes and your failures, and you won't have this necessary experience to learn from them, because you will blame anybody else. And this is the reason I stopped listening to my family about what I have to do in my life. I listen what they have to say, but I'm making my own decisions in my life, and this is my advice for you. Just treat them with love, with compassion, and if they say one more time or many more times it is a scam, you will not do it, just say yes, okay, I accept it, but just do whatever you want. And if you fail, just do it once again, learn from it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I will see you in the next one. So take care and trade safe.